Hi, John here at Microaces. Welcome to the video assembly guide for the de Havilland DH.89 Dragon Rapide. This particular guide is a little bit different to the guides that we have previously done in the fact that we're hoping you will predominantly be able to use the video guide to actually complete the build of the aircraft without having to refer to any printed media that's supplied. To that end, we have altered a few things on the video that I wanted to tell you about before we delve into the build. And it pretty much has to do with the bottom bar that we have here, running along my chest at the moment, but we'll stay there when we're down on the build board too. Obviously, we've got information about what the assembly guide is all about, just there, but we'll also have other information popping up too. So, for example, we have a watermark that pops up, which gives you an idea, an indication of where you are in the video, which stage of the video you're at, which I'll pop up now. It's a number, and then it'll run along the video and change when we change the stage that we're at during that video. You will also have, to support that, just above the video assembly guide here. I'll just bring that on now. We have information about the stage as well, which relates to that watermark number. And we also have this wonderful little space in the center here, that we are going to be using to pop up the parts that are being used in the video as they are being used. So you can watch me assemble the parts, and you will be given information about what those parts are. You'll be given the part number, as I said, as the video progresses. So hopefully that'll be of a great help, great assistance. But we'll see how it goes. So that really is the sort of difference, and I've also made an effort to provide more explanation during the build, and also a little more awareness of the show and tell aspect of the video too. So we'll just have to see how that goes. Anyway, let's get on with the build.